Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another Soul Status quick hitter. We are back, and today we are talking the Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1 collab. As always, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for being part of the community, everybody. We really appreciate it. Trying to get those likes and subscribers up, so we can continue bringing you more access and cool videos and all the content that we can think of. So, what do we think about this shoe today? It comes like a cream, a blue, a white. It's got the reverse swoosh, like the original Travis Scott Jordan 1. I can only imagine what these materials are going to be. If they're anything like the Fragment ones, that thing's going to go nuts.
I'm pretty confused. I think like the PlayStation shoe looks very similar to it that he made. He made a rip. I think he bought a Fragment and had taken pictures of it, and they had reversed it and done that before they even announced this. Just like, I'm kind of sick of the Travis Scott thing and the Fragment thing. I'd rather just buy regular Fragments, personally.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to spend $2,000 on a pair of shoes,
I love Travis Scott.
Should try $5,000.
So yeah, they're more expensive than that right now.
Those right now?
The Fragment
ones.
The Fragment ones, yeah. But it's the OG, you know what I mean? For me.
I don't blame you. Look, I don't think I like the color blocking of the shoe. Am I going to try to get it? Absolutely.
For sure.
Because, you know, I need
the
betterment of my pockets needs it.
My car needs it.
But I'm okay with them releasing another one. Do I wish there was either more blue or some changes? Yeah, absolutely. But I guess that's not up to me.
So, yeah.
No, you'll eventually like it, like me and like everybody else.
I don't know if I'll eventually like it.
Bow down to
I'll want one. Like if I see one in the wild, I'd be like, "Oh, cool shoe." But that's not like a. It's not like the thing that I need to have in my life.
Probably should ask Nick first what he thinks.
First off, I think that the shoe is just a sample. I don't actually think that shoe.
What?
I don't. The shoe is just too out there. I don't think it's
really.
I think it's just a sample that he wore. Him and I have seen photos of the Fragment guy. I don't know his name.
Yeah.
Do you guys know his name?
No.
The Fragment guy had a pair on, and Travis had a pair on, but I think they're just kind of a sample, like Virgil does with his Air Forces, the blue and black Air Forces. Never actually came out. If they did come out, I kind of have to agree with Mike. The Travis Scott thing's a little overplayed right now. I think he's saturated the market a lot with just. I mean, the shoes are good looking, but I think there's just too many of them out there just to be like keep releasing them year after year.
They're gonna milk this Travis train for
Absolutely.
everything it's worth. Like when those,
and it's worth a lot right now.
yeah, those desert khakis come out, the 6s, those are gonna go crazy.
Yeah.
These are gonna be absolutely nuts if he comes out with something else.
Well, Moose, you haven't said anything. Usually you're pretty
I wanted to let everybody get their little, takes on this shoe because I have kind of a hot take on this shoe.
Hot take isn't good.
I think it's trash.
Yeah.
I think it's complete and total garbage. If they do release this shoe, I know it's going to resell.
For sure.
Oh,
obviously.
absolutely.
Numbers are going to be limited.
But I would not wear this shoe.
Yeah, I wouldn't either.
I wouldn't even, like, I will look at somebody funny if they ask me to get this shoe for them. Because if I'm being completely honest, first of all, when they came out with the Travis Scott one, the original high, the tan one, right? The brown one. That shoe to me was awesome. It was kind of like the first earth tone Jordan 1 that really hit. Really went crazy. Because before that, the only ones that did well, right?
Excuse me.
Bless you. Because before that, the only ones that really did well were like OG colorways. It had to be black. It had to be red. It had to have like something going on.
Yeah.
Now, granted, shout out Travis for being like a great businessman and really capitalizing on, his name.
The
Gotta stay
hype.
current, man.
The hype, yeah.
I mean, he's done so far. This just in the last year, he's done a collab with McDonald's. He's did the collab with PlayStation. He did the Fortnite collab. He's done Nike. The guy has had his name out there, and shout out him. That's awesome that he's really taking advantage of his brand. But this shoe, the color blocking reminds me of a mid. I really don't like the white toe, and then like on the toe box it's blue.
It doesn't look
Fucks
complete.
with you.
It doesn't look right. It looks like something. You know, you can
And that's
look at
why I
something
say
and
it's a
tell it's
sample.
wrong.
It looks off. But
Yeah.
it looks
Which is
I'm saying
kind
it's a
of
sample.
cool. Kind of cool. I like
there's-
off shit, but not. That's a little off. Like not my style.
The fragments to me, honestly, like the original fragments, are not that sweet. I'd rather just have I'd just rather have a royal.
What
Game
about the
Royal.
Dior? You know, I gotta compare the price.
Okay, I like the Dior's. That's original, high quality materials. After seeing them in hand, like I'm in love with them. They did so much with that shoe. Travis Scott ones are not that though. You can't even put them in the same conversation in terms of like quality or desirability for me.
Yeah.
And what about the Fragment ones?
Same thing. I think to me it's a normal Jordan 1. It's like a Game Royal with a little stamp on the back. Like you can't even tell that it's a Fragment unless you really know. Yeah, like most people just look at that shoe like, oh yeah, it's just a normal shoe. There's no real way to tell it's a $5,000 shoe. If you see a Dior 1 on somebody's feet,
you know
there's something special about that shoe, even if you don't know nothing about shoes.
Yeah, you just feel the aura. It just vibrates.
Yeah, put it in someone's hand and tell me. You know?
Dior. Shoe of the year.
But let us know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you think this shoe is a cop or a drop? I mean, obviously the resale market's going to be there, but would you wear these?
Cop or drop, or does it even exist?
Does it exist? That's another good question. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments down below. Make sure to like, subscribe, share the video, follow us on all social media, and I'm out of things to say, so we'll catch you guys in the next one.
See you guys.